Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. It is the first house tour of the year. Happy 2024. I'm just gonna show you what I have so far this year for decorations, Valentine's Day and Easter, and some spring stuff. Let's start with this. Yeah, this is cute for Easter. Little chicks, very cute. And yeah, nothing really too exciting over here. Just few things here. The main stuff is upstairs, but I just wanted to show you here what we have. Just nothing really too exciting here. So I'm gonna go quickly over here and show you guys the cute little pink tulips we have. And then some herbs. Okay. And then, oh, I wanna show you this heart. This is so cute. Look at this. Isn't that precious? Little heart. So yeah, and then, of course, the Easter wreath. We have 3 of these. The green one. We have this welcome sign. Welcome. Oh, baby chicks. Well, one big chick. With the carrots. And let's go upstairs and show you guys the rest. As we come up here, we have a little welcome sign. It says, every bunny, welcome. We have a yellow wreath. A pink wreath. Happy Valentine's Day. And then let's go to the bathroom really quick and show you what's in here. We have this candle holder that I'm using as a lotion holder from Bath & Body Works. Also Bath & Body Works is Heart single wick candle holder. You gotta have strawberry pound cake, the best set ever. This is the next scrub I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use the scrub next. Swan soap holder. This candle holder, super cute. This bunny for Easter. And then I love this big swan. It holds so much. I'm gonna use those clips of Clementine travel size shower gels next in the bath. Okay, so let's get my room. Let's show you what we have in here. For the spring, we have Hop on It. Love You to the Moon and Back. Filled with Love, Happy Valentine's Day. We have this cute frog. So cute. And this I use for my hands. My hands are so dry, so I put this on my hands every single day. Vaseline. Little Lily, super duper cute. And then I kept this winter clock until Valentine's Day is over. Because, I mean, it's still wintry. It goes through Valentine's Day. This is a Christmas clock. I'm going to keep it until Christmas. Until Valentine's Day is over. But Bath & Body Works, I need a spring clock to replace it with for spring. So, yes. So, hopefully they can come up with a cute spring or summer clock that I can get. And then we have the cute little Easter pillow from Dollar Tree. The egg-shaped one. And then, of course, the wreath. I mean, the garland. The red garland with the hearts on it. So, yeah. So, that's everything. I should do this, right? Yeah, filled with love. So cute. So, I'm going to show you guys the upstairs living room. Turn the lights on. Let's turn this light on so you can see everything more clearly. There we go. There we go. Anyway, so we have little gnomes. So cute. And then what do we have here? Oh, another filled with love sign. I love pink. Pink is so pretty. We have the bunny, the gnome, the heart. Happy Valentine's Day. So precious. Love you more. Aren't these so cute? These little bunny gnomes are precious. They're so cute. I love this one. It says so extra. Very, very cute. Hope everyone has a wonderful Valentine's Day and Easter and spring season coming up. And then over here, we have this cute little wreath, heart-shaped with the cute roses, faux roses on it and ribbon. Very, very cute. And of course, I always have this like year-round, which is my heart blanket for Valentine's Day, but I use it all year round. It's so cozy. So yeah, that's everything. So nothing too spectacular, but just wanted to show you what I have so far. I'll do another house tour when I get more spring and Easter decorations. I think this is it for Valentine's Day, but for Easter and spring, I want to get more stuff. So I'll do another house tour probably at the end of February or early March for more spring and Easter, and then I'm gonna do another house tour for summer around May, and of course the fall, Halloween, and Christmas ones later in the year that I always do. So if you love house tours, decor hauls, and so much more, definitely subscribe, like up the video, leave a comment, and I will see you guys very soon. Thanks for watching, and thank you for subscribing. Bye, guys.